Today I'm today I'm today today Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Laurenz. Here I'll show you how I transform spaces without breaking the bank. And all the pretty things that you see on Instagram and Pinterest, we are bringing them to your spaces. Thank you so much for watching my first video. We are celebrating because this channel just hit its first 100 subscribers. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Watch till the end because I have a surprise giveaway for you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how I did the gallery wall from the previous video. If you have not watched that video yet, pause this and head on to that video where I transformed my bedroom under $300. But if you have watched it already, chill and get some chips because this video is a game changer. Boom! This is going to be interesting. Let's begin. If you live in Singapore like me, you should know that drilling holes in the wall is not allowed. Sure, most of you would like to hang those family pictures, your baby pictures, your travel photos, and your own artworks. Seeing them on the wall reminds us of the happy moments that we had. Let me tell you a true story. Every time I go to my friend's house, I always see their walls empty, plain, nothing on it. They're scared to damage the wall. They always tell me that they're moving out in a year or two and that's not really necessary. Maybe we can argue of it being minimalist, but just imagine waking up and seeing your son's first recital, or maybe your daughter receiving a diploma, your cute little dog, and maybe that very rare family photos, and even that ticket to Disneyland. These are the moments that make us happy, moments that will remind us that life is a celebration. To begin your gallery wall, you need to know what design or vibe you're going for. That would help us search the best image and picture frame to use. For this video, the design is Scandinavian Minimalist. I'm also going to show you another design fit for someone who loves collecting shoes, the sneakerheads. And another for a young, independent, and glamorous office girl. Yes, you heard it right. I'm doing 3 different designs today. These are the things you need. A white paper, frames, 3M command strips, scissors, and love. And love. And love. The first design is Scandinavian Minimalist. Before filming this video, I went to Daiso to pick up some frames that I'm going to use for this episode. Daiso has a wide variety of frames, and if the color doesn't match your design, you can always spray paint on them. We're using black and white frames and prints here. We'd like to keep the details as simple as possible. Someone asked me how I selected those pictures. It really depends on you. Whatever makes you happy. On my gallery wall, I'm putting the year I was born, 1989, so that makes me 22 now. I'm also putting a map of Singapore, my second home. I ordered it from Etsy.com. I am putting my favorite quotes, you only live once, and good vibes only. Yes. To bring back some breakfast at Tiffany's vibe, I am using Audrey Hepburn. Google. This striking geometric graphic ice, and a text that says, "Oh, coffee," because coffee is life. I am also framing that Disneyland ticket from 2016 because why not? Once you have that artworks and pictures that you'd like to be on your gallery wall, it's now time to put them on the frame. For the biggest frame with the text "Oh Coffee," I had it printed in A4 and cut it so I can paste it on a larger paper to fit the size of the frame. You don't really have to spend on printing customized sizes. A little creativity and resourcefulness will do. Boom! Put the frames on the floor to see the best arrangement, and when you're satisfied, start doing the magic. Use the 3M command strips behind every frame. And on the wall, you also need to put the strips on the exact location of the strips you placed on the frames. Don't worry because this magic strip does not damage the wall and the paint. And when you make a mess, you can still reposition it. This does not apply to your girlfriend. When you make a mess, good luck. Boom! Now let's start giving life to the wall. Boom! The second design is for the young, independent, and glamorous office girl. I'd like to celebrate her love for makeup, so I'm putting that up. Some text and a flamingo. The entire design is all about glam, so I'm putting a touch of gold because gold is glamorous. A pop of pink is needed to highlight the feminine side of the design. We're using frames from Daiso and that's $2 per frame or 70 pesos. You have no idea what a $2 frame can do to change your empty wall. And don't forget your 3M command strips. Stay right there because I'm going to show you how to put this together. Boom! The last design is inspired by my brother who is a sneakerhead. A sneakerhead is an admirer of shoes and collects them as a hobby. I took this picture from my brother's Facebook account and I used an app to cartoonize it and had it printed in A4. I'm also putting the definition of sneakerhead for the aesthetics. The vibe is sporty and we are taking cues from the color of this image. Let's start the magic. Boom! You've seen how this cheap frames has changed the entire look and vibe of the space. It's cheap and easy. This video is not sponsored by Daiso or 3M Command Strips. If you're watching, notice me. Let's have a look at the 3 different designs we made. See, it's not difficult. And if you're watching this in the morning, head on to Daiso and buy those frames. Print those artworks. Boom! Transform your spaces. As I have promised, I have a surprise giveaway to 2 of my subscribers because each subscriber really matters to a newbie like me. I am giving away the sneakerhead collection of frames and the Glamorous set as well. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, head onto my Instagram account, and send me a direct message on why you deserve to receive this giveaway. You may nominate someone if you want. I will personally deliver the frames to you if you're in Singapore or in the Philippines near NAIA International Airport. Again, thank you so much for the love and support. And always remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Go and update your room and wake up to that dream space because you only live once. Sleep and wake up happy. Don't forget to subscribe because each subscriber inspires me to create more videos and interesting content. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers, will you? Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Laurenz. Thanks for watching.